Right, darling, settle in. You simply must hear about this debacle. It's quite the tale, truly. You see, I'm accustomed to a certain standard, a refinement. It's not about the money, you understand, though naturally I am quite comfortable. It's about the principle of things, the expectation of seamless perfection. My grandmother, bless her heart, escaped Minsk in '92. A woman who could turn dust into diamonds instilled in me a fierce appreciation for quality. Everything had to be just so. And honestly, the world has been steadily declining in its just-so-ness ever since. And this place, oh, this place was a masterclass in the art of the utterly disappointing. It began, as these things often do, with optimism. A wedding, you see, a darling friend getting hitched. Coronado Island Marriott Resort Spa Coronado. It sounded positively idyllic. The photographs online honestly breathtaking. All sun-drenched balconies and shimmering pools. I remember thinking, finally, a venue that understands aesthetics. Oh, how utterly, tragically naive I was, like believing in fairy tales after reading Dostoevsky. We arrived and it was empty, eerily so, not a charming, anticipatory quiet, but a desolate, echoing void. Now one would assume, wouldn't one, that an empty lobby should expedite the check-in process? Logically it should, but no. We stood there utterly forgotten for 5 hours. 5 entire hours. It's the kind of thing that chips away at your soul, you know, like a particularly persistent drip of water wearing down stone. I kept expecting a little gnome to pop up and offer us tea just to acknowledge our existence. And honestly, this wasn't even a busy weekend. No convention, no major event, it was simply incompetence, plain and simple. The staff were present, yes, but moving with the languid grace of snails contemplating existential dread. You know, the kind of look that says, I haven't slept in 3 days and honestly, I don't care if your entire life falls apart. It's deeply unsettling. It's a fundamental violation of the social contract. When you pay for a service, you are entitled to service. It's not an unreasonable expectation, is it? It's like ordering a croissant and receiving a stale baguette. It's just wrong. The location, I will concede, is quite pretty, right on the water. But here's the kicker, and oh, it's a revolting kicker, you can actually touch the water. Apparently there's a rather unpleasant stream of, well, let's just call it organic matter flowing in from Mexico. Human waste, darling, actual raw sewage. It's the sort of thing that makes your skin crawl and your dreams turn sour. You stand there gazing at the ocean and all you can think about is what's lurking beneath the surface. It's like admiring a beautiful painting that's slowly, subtly rotting from the inside out. And the cost, don't even begin to ask. $800 a night. For this, it's highway robbery dressed up in a floral print robe. It's the kind of price tag that implies opulence, that promises an experience. What you get is a sense of being actively fleeced. A profound, creeping resentment. I almost expected the room to come with a complimentary apology and a refund. Then there's the Wi-Fi, $15 a day, 15, in this day and age. It's not just the money, it's the audacity. It's like they were deliberately trying to disconnect you from the world, to hold you captive in their realm of mediocre service and dubious hygiene. And the signal, pathetic. A flickering, unstable ghost of a connection. They've clearly installed some sort of service blocker. I swear they're throttling the bandwidth just to annoy you. It's malicious, honestly. It's like they want you to suffer. My friend's wedding, oh, it was a catastrophe. They meticulously planned everything down to the last detail. But the hotel, utterly incapable of executing even the simplest requests. Guests arriving to find their rooms hadn't been cleaned. The promised dog.
Bed and welcome gifts for the furry attendees vanished into the ether. You see
businesses near Coronado Island Marriott Resort Spa, Coronado. You know, they look so nice, like perfect little shops where you think, oh, I'll just buy something quick, no problem. But then, like, bad things happen. Like in 2017, this sunglasses store got robbed. Thousands of dollars gone just like that. The thief probably walked in, acted normal, then grabbed everything and ran. The owner must have been so upset, you know. Like, imagine working hard, and then poof, your stuff is gone. And the tourists? They probably didn't even notice, just walked in later like, oh, why is the store closed? Then, in September 2025, there was this organized theft, like a whole group stealing from a store. That's so messed up. They probably planned it, waited for the right moment, then just took whatever they wanted. The police caught one guy, but the others? Who knows? The store probably had to close for a while, and tourists who wanted to shop there just couldn't, and petty theft. It's so annoying. 2 different stores got hit in just a few days. Like, someone just grabbed something small and left. Maybe a tourist even saw it happen and didn't realize. The workers must feel so helpless, like, again? Really. Then there was grand theft twice. Big things stolen, probably expensive stuff. The stores must have lost so much money. And the tourists? They might not even know, but if they wanted to buy something nice, maybe it wasn't even there anymore because someone stole it. And fraud at a local business. Like someone probably used fake money or a fake card. The cashier must have felt so stupid afterward, like, how did I not see that? And the tourist who did it probably just walked away, laughing. It's just sad, you know? Like Coronado Island Marriott Resort Spa, Coronado is so beautiful, but the stores around it, they have to deal with this stuff all the time. And the tourists don't even realize. They just enjoy their vacation, while the workers clean up the mess.
The dark side of businesses near Coronado Island Marriott Resort Spa. If you're staying at the Coronado Island Marriott Resort Spa, dreaming of charming little shops, delightful cafes, and vibrant nightlife just steps away. Prepare for disappointment. The businesses nearby, they're a masterclass in mediocrity, a symphony of scams, and a parade of poor service. Let's peel back the glossy tourist brochures and expose the grim reality. Seaport Village, a ghost town of broken promises. Seaport Village isn't just outdated. It's a relic that time forgot, left to rot like a forgotten sandwich in a hot car. The sidewalks are uneven, the buildings smell like termites had a rave, and the bathrooms. Imagine a porta-potty abandoned after a 3-day festival. But the real villain here, parking. It's a predatory maze designed to drain your wallet. Signs promise 5 for 3 hours, but if you dare to stay 2 hours and 4 minutes, that'll be 24, please, and good luck getting a ticket validated. Some shops act like they've never heard of the concept. Then there's the wildlife. Ducks waddle around being fed bread by clueless tourists, because apparently no one told them bread kills ducks. No signs, no warnings, just a slow-motion avian tragedy. And if you think security will help, think again. Harassment by overzealous guards is so common. One visitor ended up with a felony citation. Later dropped, but the trauma, priceless. Orangetheory Fitness, where your wallet goes to die. Gyms should make you healthier, not broker your soul. But Orangetheory, it's a subscription nightmare. Cancel your membership, too bad. They'll transfer you against your will, keep charging you, and when you complain they'll smirk and say, you can use the gym until April. As if that's a consolation prize. Parking is a gamble, no designated spots, just a vague hope you won't get towed. And if you bring your kids, forget it. A 12-year-old waiting on their phone is apparently a fire hazard here. The cherry on top, free class vouchers aren't free. Try to use one, and they'll interrogate you like you're smuggling contraband before slapping on a surprise charge. The Kebab Shop A masterclass in false advertising, kids eat free. The sign proclaims, but when you arrive, oh, we meant next time. And if you live far away, tough luck. The food, a tragic comedy. Order a lamb wrap and you'll get a sad pile of lettuce with a whisper of meat. 40 later, you're left staring at your plate, wondering if you just funded a scam. And the staff, some are so overworked they'll lie straight to your face. We only have falafel, they'll say, as chicken sizzles on the grill behind them. Parakeet Cafe 18 for a bowl of regret. Healthy food shouldn't taste like punishment, but Parakeet Cafe didn't get the memo. Order the crunchy Chinese salad and you'll get kale. Just kale. No nuts, no cucumbers, no flavor, just a 18 bowl of existential despair. There are kai bowls, soup, literally, runny, melted sadness in a dish, and the prices, hidden like state secrets. You won't know the damage until you're at checkout, staring at a 32 bill for juice and a tiny cup of chia pudding. Oxford Social Club, where creeps and chaos reign. Nightlife here isn't fun, it's a horror story. The bouncers. Ruthless gatekeepers who change cover charges like mood rings. Free entry? Nope, now it's 30. Wait, 15. Actually, just give us your wallet. Inside, it's worse. Women report being dragged to tables by staff. My client wants these girls. Like they're bargaining chips. And if a guy steps in to help, he's the one who